Alright, so today I'm going to show you how easy it is to change the PTO drive belt on the front of the Simplicity Sunstar 20 garden tractor. This one has the Magnum Kohler Magnum M20 engine in it, and it's time to replace the belts because they're getting a little crusty looking. So we take the hood off, and we're looking at a 2-belt system right here. And this spring right here is what's creating the tension on this idler pulley. And the belts go around there and up here. So, tell you what, one of the best tools ever for this kind of work is this bad boy right here. Spring puller. I actually think I got this from Motion Pro, the motorcycle tool company. Parts company. I don't know what else they sell, but right here, this thing is great. So all we're going to do is release the tension on that spring and swap out to new belts. Just hook it on the spring like so, pull it loose, there we go. There you go. And the belts I'm replacing them with are these 1/2 inch by 36 inch power rated belts. That's the 4 LK360. Make sure it's in the right grooves. And then we grab our spring and just pull and put it back in its place. Yeah, I know there's a chunk missing out of the pulley down there. It's been that way for years though. Alright, let's fire this up and make sure everything works good. Alright, there it is. That's all there is to it. Alright, thanks for watching.